Okay, dear students, in the previous class we discussed about resistance of the conductor and also on what factors the resistance of the conductor depends. In this class we are going to discuss resistivity and conductivity. Resistivity and conductivity. Okay, resistivity of the conductor and conductance. Resistivity of the conductor and also conductivity of the conductor. Conductance and conductivity. Okay, we know that the resistance of the conductor is depends on length of the conductor. Resistance of the conductor is depends on length of the conductor, is directly proportional to length of the conductor and inversely proportional to area of cross section of the conductor. Okay, R is directly proportional to L and R is inversely proportional to area A. To remove this proportionality, we add one constant. That constant name is resistivity of the conductor. Rho indicates resistivity of the conductor. Therefore, resistivity of the conductor is written as rho is equal to Ra divided by L. Ra divided by L, where rho is the resistivity of the conductor. Resistivity of the conductor. Resistivity of the conductor. And A is the area of cross section of the conductor. A is equal to area of cross section of conductor. Area of cross section of conductor, and L is the length of the conductor. Length of the conductor. Length of the conductor. And resistivity of the conductor is defined as resistivity of conductor is defined as it is the resistance offered by the conductor of unit length and unit of area of cross section and unit area. Resistivity of the conductor is defined as the amount of resistance, not opposition offered by the conductor. Amount of resistance offered by the conductor of unit length and the unit area of cross section. Resistivity of the conductor is defined as the amount of opposition offered by the conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section of the conductor. Therefore, it is denoted by symbol rho is equal to Ra divided by L. SI unit of resistivity of the conductor. Resistance of the conductor is different and resistivity of the conductor is different. Okay. SI unit of resistance of the conductor is ohm. Resistivity of the conductor is ohm meter. It is denoted like ohm meter. Ohm meter is the SI unit of resistivity of the conductor. Here, resistance of the SI unit of resistance is ohm and SI unit of area is L square, length meter square, and SI unit of length is meter. Meter square divided by meter. 1 meter cancel. Remaining is ohm meter. Therefore, SI unit of resistivity of the conductor is ohm meter. If I consider a cylindrical wire, of radius small r, if cylindrical wire of radius small r, then resistivity of the conductor is written as rho is equal to r into, instead of a we can write pi r square divided by L. This is the formula to calculate resistivity of the conductor, resistivity of the cylindrical conductor of radius small r. Okay. Next is conductance. The reciprocal of resistivity is called reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. Reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. It is denoted by symbol capital G. Capital G indicates conductance of the conductor, resistance of the conductor, conductance of the conductor. Therefore, conductance of the conductor is defined as the reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. The reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. Therefore, G is equal to 1 divided by R. SI unit of conductance is mho. OHM is ohm, MHY is mho, and it is denoted by like a symbol like this. Okay. For resistance, SI unit is ohm. Reciprocal of resistance is conductance, that is mho, MHO. And this one is like this, and this one is like this. Okay. This is the difference between resistance and conductance. Okay. Next is conductivity of the conductor. We know that resistivity of the conductor is defined as the amount of resistance offered by the conductor for unit length and unit area of cross section of the conductor. Here the conductance is reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. It is G is equal to 1 divided by R, and SI unit is mho. It can be written as a symbol like this. And here the conductivity of the conductor is reciprocal of resistivity is called conductivity of the conductor. Reciprocal of conductivity of the conductor. Conductivity of the conductor. The reciprocal of resistivity is called conductivity of the conductor, and it is denoted by symbol sigma. Sigma is equal to reciprocal of resistivity 1 over rho, 1 divided by rho. Here rho is equal to RA divided by L. Therefore, sigma is equal to L divided by RA. For cylindrical wire of radius R, for cylindrical wire of radius small r, therefore sigma is equal to L divided by R into pi r square. L divided by R into pi r square is the formula. And SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. SI unit of conductivity is mho per meter. Mho per meter. SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, and SI unit of conductivity is mho per mho per meter, or mho per meter, per mho per meter. That can be written as 1 over R. 1 divided by R is mho per meter, not per meter, mho per meter. Clear? Or it can be written as per mho per meter. Here 1 divided by R indicates conductance. 1 divided by R indicates conductance. Conductance SI unit is mho divided by 1 L cancel, therefore 1 divided by M meter. 1 divided by L, therefore SI unit of length is meter. Mho per meter is the SI unit of conductivity. Clear? And per ohm per meter is also the SI unit of conductivity. Clear? Here 1 divided by R is ohm and 1 divided by length, that is meter. Per ohm per meter. Per ohm per meter is also a SI unit of conductivity, and ohm per meter, mho per meter, not ohm. Mho per meter is the SI unit of conductivity, and also per ohm per meter is the SI unit of conductivity. Okay. Next is resistivity of the metallic conductor is directly proportional to the temperature. Resistivity of the metallic conductor is directly proportional to the temperature. Resistivity of metallic conductor is directly proportional to the temperature. Resistivity of the metallic conductor is directly proportional to the temperature. That can be written as rho of T is equal to rho naught into 1 plus alpha T. 1 plus alpha T. Rho of T is equal to rho naught into 1 plus alpha T, where rho T is equal to, not rho T, rho of T is equal to resistivity of the conductor at temperature T degree Kelvin. Resistivity at T Kelvin. Resistivity at T degree Celsius or T degree Kelvin. T degree Celsius. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. For our convenience, we can use Celsius or Kelvin also. And rho naught is the resistivity at 0 degree Celsius. Resistivity at 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius. Resistivity at 0 degree Celsius. And alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistivity. Alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistivity. Temperature coefficient of resistivity. And manganese and constantine coils are used for making the resistance because they have low value of temperature coefficient. Temperature coefficient of resistivity is very low in manganese and constantine. Therefore, that two materials are used to making the resistance. Which are the materials used to make the resistance? manganese and constraint. Why? Because they have very low temperature coefficient of resistivity. Manganese and constraint Constantine manganese and constantine are the two materials are used in making the resistance. Why these two materials are used while making the resistance? Because they have very low temperature coefficient of resistivity. Very low temperature coefficient of resistivity. Therefore, because of low temperature, very low temperature coefficient of resistivity, manganese and constantine are used in making the resistances. This question is very important for annual examination. 1 mark. Which are the materials used in making the resistances? These two. And why these two materials are used in making the resistance? Because of low temperature coefficient. Because of very low temperature coefficient, these two materials are used while making the resistances. Okay. Next, now take the homework questions. First question. Define current electricity. Next is define electric current. Define the SI unit of current. Define current density. Write its SI unit and dimensions. State and explain Ohm's law. Mention the limitations of Ohm's law. What are ohmic devices? Give example. What are non-ohmic devices? Give example. What are ohmic devices? Give example. What are non-ohmic devices? Give example. Next is, what is define resistance of the conductor? Write its SI unit. Write the circuit symbol for resistance. Define 1 ohm. On what factors the resistance of the conductor depends? How the resistance of the conductors varies with length and area of cross section of the conductor. How does resistance of the conductor varies with length and area of cross section of the conductor? What is resistivity of the conductor? Define conductance of the conductor. Write the SI unit of conductivity. and write the SI unit of conductance. Write the SI unit of conductance. What is conductivity of the conductor? What is conductivity of the conductor? Okay, these are the homework questions. In the next class, students, we discuss remaining concepts on resistance. Okay, thank you, students.